What's up guys, Amy here. In this quick GroovePages update, I'm going to cover 3 things. 1, cloning and moving existing pages. 2, how to link to blocks, plus a hack to link to blocks on other pages. And 3, how to link from a container to a URL. Now, I'm going to assume you know the basics of using GroovePages, and if you don't, then please watch episode 55 GroovePages tutorial for beginners, as that will give you the core foundations of using GroovePages. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do subscribe and hit that bell notification for more videos like this. You ready? Let's go. Okay, to clone existing pages, head to Pages, click on the page you want to clone, click on 3 dots and select Clone To. You will leave it at this site, i.e. you want to clone to this site, and you will click on Clone Page. But also in the drop down, you can select different site, which means you can clone this page to another GroovePages site. In this drop down arrow, I've selected the Doglish website. Click on this drop down and you want to select primary navigation. Then click on Clone and Open Site. Over in my Doglish website, I go to Pages and I can see the About page appearing in the menu navigation. Let's go back to the original site. Now to move existing pages, click on the 3 dots again and you can click on Move To. Click on the drop down, select different site, select the site you want to move to, and this will move this page entirely to a different site. Click on Move Page. To link a button or an image to a block, you can click on this button or an image, but let's use Get Started. Head over to the Configure tab, scroll down, Link To, select Block, and there are 5 blocks on this particular page. Let's say that we want to link the Get Started to the second block. That would be Block 2, and click on Update. Click on Save. Let's also publish this page. Once it's been published, I've opened up a new tab and we'll click on Get Started. It's scrolled down to Block 2. Now let's scroll down and pretend that we want the Get to Know Me button to link to the About page, not the home page, but to the second block on the About page. Here's what to do. Head to Pages, click on the About page, go to any button on that page. Let's use the Learn More button. And if you don't have a button, just go to Elements and drag in a button element. Now for this Learn More button, we'll go to the Configure tab. Under Link To, we want to link to block. And because we're targeting the second block, we also select Block 2 in the drop down arrow and click on Update. This is only a temporary measure so that we can grab the URL of the second block on the About page. Click on Save and publish it. Open up the website in the browser, scroll down, click on Learn More, and that's going to scroll you back to block number 2. So you'll go here, grab this URL, head back to GroovePages, click on Home, and we'll go back here to Get to Know Me. Head to Configure, under Link To, select the drop down, select URL, and you want to paste in the URL for that specific block that you grabbed previously and click on Update. Save it, publish, open up a new browser, scroll down. We configured this button, so I'll click on it and that's going to redirect me to the About page, but you'll notice it's on the second block of the About page. I also want to thank some Groove members who supported this channel by buying me a sushi. So a shout out to Elkie, Brad Shapiro, David McCauley, Dave DeLuca, and LJ Canary. Thank you so much guys for your generosity and kindness. I really appreciate it. The last update is how to link a container to a URL. So we'll head back here and I'll click on this. I know I'm not in the container level because layout 2x2 is highlighted and that's the column. So I want to click on container, then head to Configure, click Link To, and you can link to a page, a block, a URL, pop-up, your Groove blog or Groove cart. I'll just enter Google for now and click on Update, and that's how you link an entire container on GroovePages. Alright guys, if you enjoyed these videos, you can help support the channel by buying me a sushi. The link to that is in my pinned comment below, and until next time, see ya!